everyone, my name is Emma MacLeod. I'm a guide here at Wilderness Scotland, and today we're going to be looking at how to pack a canoe here for when you go on one of the canoe expeditions. We'll have a look at some of the equipment we've got, how to pack it, and how to keep ourselves nice and comfortable when we're in the boat and paddling off to our campsite. So when you come out on expedition, there's obviously a lot of equipment that we need to take with us. The canoe is a fantastic way to carry it. So what we will be providing is a couple of barrels. The barrels are very spacious and really good to carry everything in them. You can open them up, so you can see into there. You'll be able to get lots of your personal kit into there, and they're really good as they keep them nice and watertight. You pop that lid back on, you can put the seal. You've got to enclose part of the barrel, part of the lid together. When you put the handle down, easy to close, that's it nice and sealed. So if it does end up in the water, there won't get any water. You've got a seal round the barrel, so nothing inside should get very wet. We also have a number of dry bags we can issue out, variety of sizes. Got one, for example, a day sack. Got one if you've got a little bit more kit, you can pop stuff in a larger one. Or if you're bringing the kitchen sink, which I hope you're not, you've got an even bigger one which we can give you, and you can pop equipment into there as well. We're now going to look at what we're actually going to pack into our canoe barrel here. We've got two already packed, ready to go on our expedition. So this one here, we're going to have a look at how to pack it. Now, open it on up. And when you come on one of the canoe expeditions, there'll already be a bit of kit inside this. And that's stuff that we're going to provide to you, such as a kneel mat and such as a camping chair. The kneel mat, you're not going to pack back into the barrel. That's going to be sat in the canoe to give you a bit of extra comfort. So we'll just pop that off to the side for just now. Now, into the barrel, you want to put the stuff at the bottom that you're not going to need until the very, very end. So I'd be looking at kind of a sleeping bag, a sleeping mat, etc. So, sleeping bag, there we go. That's going to go nice on in there. We've already got some of my pre-packed spare layers, pre-packed spare clothes. As you can see, I've popped them in a dry bag just for extra security. We've got plenty of dry bags that we can issue out to clients at the start of the trip. So they're going to get popped in there. Again, spare clothes and a nice warm jacket to wear around about the campsite and in the evening. Got a very important sleeping mat. Added comfort is what we need. That can squeeze on in there. And again, really pushing everything down to make sure you've got enough room for all your equipment to get in there. More spare clothes, you never know. I've also got a spare pair of shoes that I'm going to take with me, just so there's something nice and comfortable, good sole to wear around about the campsite. Do check out one of our other videos. There'll be a few links below. You can see what appropriate footwear is good to wear when you're on a canoe expedition. So they're going to go into there. Camping chair, something that I said that we issued out to you. Plenty of room still in here. I'm going to fire that in there and really push that down in there. So as you can see, still got plenty of room in here. So for just now, I'm going to pop the lid onto there. And then again, I'm going to seal that up, as you can see, getting part of the barrel, part of the lid together, moving that silver ring around it, and then closing that over. And that can be our barrel there. So just a quick recap, what's in the barrel. I've got my sleeping bag, I've got my sleeping mat, I've got some spare layers, spare clothes, spare pair of shoes, I've got a nice warm jacket to wear around the fire. I've also got my camping chair as well. Now you might be thinking, where's the tent? Fear not, we're not going to let you sleep under the stars. Tent here, pre-packed into a nice dry bag for you there. That doesn't need to go in the barrel. If there's room, you can pop it in, but it is in a very sturdy dry bag, which we can then attach straight onto the boat as it is. Now we'll take a look at a dry bag. So we've looked at what we've packed into our big blue barrels here. There's obviously going to be things that you might want to get quick access to throughout the paddle day, so that's why we issue out some dry bags. So the most important one is the smaller one that we'll give you, because that's where you can pop all your snacks into. So you'll get issued out a few snacks at the start of the day. Got some crisps, got some fruit, most importantly got the chocolate bars. Also into here as well, I'd be popping in sun cream, because believe it or not, it does get sunny here. But we also get some midges here, so you've got your midge net, midge repellent. They're going to pop into that day bag there. Might also want to pop in just a pair of gloves in case your hands get cold, and we've also got a hat if you want to have that. That can go in your day bag. I'm going to seal this one nice over. You want to really push that down, get all the air out of it, and then you're going to fold it over, make sure there's no creases, keeping that nice and watertight, and folding that around, and that there you can then attach to part of the boat like so. And if you're sitting either at the back or at the front, nice easy access to get them there. We do have medium-sized dry bags that you can take as well. Into there, maybe just a bag with a fleece or a waterproof that you can take with you. That can get popped inside. Wherever you're out with, the guide will tell you the weather for the day, so if you think you need to have an extra couple of layers, you can take them out of the barrel at the start, pop them into the dry bag, and again, like we did with the day sack, wrap that up nice and tight, attach that onto the canoe, and it's easy access for you to get throughout the day. So when you go on a canoe expedition, as we said, you get one of the blue barrels. A canoe fits 2 people. As you can see, there are 3 barrels in here, so you will be expected to take a bit of extra group kit with us. So we do have a couple of barrels that have got a full kitchen. We've got our stoves, we've got our fuel, also got all the food that we need to take, and that will be split out between numerous of the canoes that we've got here. So we've got a couple of blue barrels here that have got a kitchen in it. We've also got a water carrier at the front, so we've got enough water to keep hydrated as we go. We've got smaller blue barrels that'll go in some of the other canoes, and that's got our brew kit, so we can always keep you topped up on all the most important teas and coffees and biscuits, shortbread, fruit, you name it. We're literally going to bring a kitchen sink with us. We've also got a couple of kind of dry bags that we take with us. We've got some recycling bin bags that we'll take, because everything that we take kind of with us on the expedition, we want to take out with us. So we do take all the waste with us back out. I hope some of this was useful for you, a little bit inspiring, kind of setting your ease at how to pack, what to pack. So I really hope to see you on the water with us on one of our trips. Hope to see you soon.